back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Amitabh Bachchan donated 2 crore rupees to Gurdwara committee demanding to return. The member of the Minorities Commission has decided the immediate withdrawal of the donation taken from the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. And its chairman Sardar Majinder Singh Sirsa, Sardar Parvinder Singh says Sikh society does not have a shortage of money. We will go in front of every house and ask for money with folded hands. So this type of donation should be returned immediately. I would like to request, if there is any person who was worked against humanity, then the Guru should not take a single rupee from him. The corona epidemic is going on in such a situation that many organizations and many people are serving the society with great vigor. At the same time, there are some people who donate their money showing participation. The film star is also not far behind in this. Just a few days ago, Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan donated 2 crore rupees to the Shri Guru Tag Bahadur COVID Care Center started in Delhi's Gurdwara Rakab Ganj Sahib to convert the coronavirus. UP, due to this, Minority Commission member Sardar Parminder Singh has criticized the donation rupees 2 crore given by Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan. Demand to return the donation given by Amitabh. At the same time, the member of the Minority Commission has demanded the immediate withdrawal to the donation taken from the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee and its chairman Sardar Majinder Singh Sirsa, Sardar Parvinder Singh. It has been reported that actor Amitabh Bachchan has donated rupees 2 crore. Majinder Singh Sirsa, at the same time of the third Guru Emperor Akbar, also wanted a given of lot of jagirs and village to the Guru Baghar. But the third Guru did not accept it because it was Akbar's earrings. The Minority Commission's members said it is the same Amitabh Bachchan who played a significant role in the 1984 Sikh riots and instigated the riots against the Sikhs after the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Member of the Minorities Commission said that if a donation is taken from such a person, it is not good for the Sikh society and will not be against their values. There is no shortage of money in the Sikh society. We will go in front of every house and ask for money with folded hands. If you are watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you are watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.